why you wake up exhausted every morning, and how to break free from the chaos of broken sleep. Let's be honest with ourselves. How many times have you hit the snooze button in the morning, pulled the blanket over your head, rolled around, and whispered, just 5 more minutes? But 5 minutes turns into 30. You eventually drag yourself out of bed, feeling foggy, sluggish, and defeated, before your day has even begun. You look at the clock, then at yourself in the mirror, and ask, why am I always so tired? Why can't I get my life together? Sound familiar? You're not alone. Millions of people are stuck in the same trap. Late nights, chaotic mornings, and a sleep cycle that's completely out of sync. The problem doesn't start in the morning. It begins the night before. You might think sleep is just a passive act of resting, but it's not. Sleep is energy. Sleep is focus. Sleep is self-discipline. It's the foundation of everything you want to achieve the next day. If you fail at sleep, you've already lost the first battle of your day, before you've even opened your eyes. And if you keep pushing bedtime later, waking up later, and telling yourself, I'll fix it tomorrow, you're only digging the hole deeper. So how do you fix it? Here are 3 simple but powerful steps to reset your sleep, reclaim your mornings, and start living with clarity again. Step 1. Wake up at the same time every day, no matter what time you went to bed. This is the foundation of it all. Your body runs on an internal clock called the circadian rhythm, which determines when you feel awake and when you feel sleepy. When you wake up at different times every day, this clock falls apart. Your brain loses its sense of time. The result: you feel sleepy during the day, you're wide awake at night, and every morning feels like a battle you can't win. The solution is simple, but it demands discipline. Choose a fixed wake-up time, whether it's 6, 30 am, or 7 zilara. Pick one and commit to it. Even if you went to bed at 10 p.m. or 3 a.m., get up at the same time. Yes, it will feel awful at first. That's part of the process. But this fatigue is exactly what your body needs in order to start craving earlier bedtimes. After just a few days, your body will begin to reset. You'll feel sleepy earlier. You'll sleep deeper. You'll wake up clearer. Step 2. Make your bed a space dedicated only to sleep. If you often lie in bed, struggling to fall asleep, or wake up feeling unrested, it may be because your brain no longer associates your bed with rest. Every time you scroll on your phone, watch YouTube, send messages, or study in bed, you're training your mind to see the bed as a place of activity and stimulation, not relaxation. The fix is to recondition your brain. From now on, your bed should have one purpose only: sleep. No phones, no laptops, no studying, no watching videos, no eating. It may feel strange at first, but after a few days, your brain will get the message: when I lie here, it's time to sleep. And sleep will come more easily, more naturally. Step 3. Turn off all screens at least 1 hour before bed. The light from your screens, especially blue light, suppresses melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy. This tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, which is why you lie awake long after you put your phone down. Even worse, the content itself, social media, news, videos, is stimulating. It keeps your mind active when it should be winding down. So give yourself a power down hour before bed. Turn off all screens, your phone, laptop, and TV. At least 1 hour before you sleep, replace them with calm, grounding activities. Read a physical book, write in a journal, do light stretching, meditate, or simply sit in stillness. This signals to your body and brain that the day is ending, and you'll find yourself falling asleep more easily, resting more deeply, and waking up far more refreshed. The bottom line: you don't need a smart gadget, sleep supplements, or a fancy new pillow to fix your sleep. What you really need is discipline. These 3 steps cost nothing. They're simple, but they work. If you commit to them for just 7 days, you'll notice the difference. No more dragging yourself out of bed in a haze. No more starting the day already behind. Instead, you'll wake up with energy, clarity, and a renewed sense of control. You've lost enough mornings to exhaustion and chaos. Let tonight be the turning point. Sleep is the first battle of your day. Win it, and you'll win the rest.